Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to create a filter post by relationships using MetaBox and Oxygen. I will create a filter to show internal documentations of a company that have been classified by specific departments and vice versa. The posts will be displayed on an archive page, and when each user who is an employee of each department logs in, they will see the posts related to their department displayed. You will find this topic useful if you are looking to build an internal website. Besides, if you are a seller, like selling courses, you can create courses associated with student groups where each student can only see the courses they have purchased or have permissions for. Before going step by step, let's check some tools we need for this practice. Here I have several documents, and each of them will be a post. I will create a custom post type for departments. Then I will create a bi-directional relationship between them. The relationship connects which department will have related posts and vice versa. Next, I will create a custom field for the work department to classify the department for each user. When the user logs in, they will see the archive page displaying related posts of their department by filter condition. This page is built by Oxygen. So we need Oxygen to build the page. Next, you need MetaBox all-in-one to have the framework for creating custom post types, custom fields and relationships, as well as the MetaBox extensions inside it provide you with advanced features, specifically MB admin columns to display the related posts and related departments as a column in the dashboard. MB custom post type to create a custom post type for the departments. MB relationships to create relationships between these post types. MB user meta to add a work department to user profile. MB builder to have a UI on the backend to create custom fields and relationships easily. That's all. Let's get started now. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the departments. After creating, you can see the post types displayed right here. Click here to add some new departments. This is the list I have. Go to MetaBox, Relationship, and create a new one. There'll be the from and to sections as follows. The relationship is bidirectional, so you can put the two post types into any section. Since they are post types, remember to set the object type as post in both sections. Set the post type in the from section as one that we want to be in the relationship. In this case, I set posts, so the rest one in the to section will be the departments. Enable this setting if you want to show them as an admin column. In the to section, do the same. Choose post type as department. After publishing, go to the post editor. You will see the section for setting relationships. Just fill the post information and choose its departments. These are some posts I have. and you can easily view the posts and the related departments' information in these columns. To add departments to each user, I will create a custom field. Feel free to add additional fields depending on your needs. Now, go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and create a new field group. For the user department, choose the post field type. Choose post type as department. Enable this setting to show them as an admin column. Then, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as user to apply the field to it. Now, in each user, you can see the created field here. Click on it to choose the department. After updating, you can see users with related work departments in the columns like this. Navigate to the Oxygen, Templates, and click on this place to create a new template. Next, go to Pages. Create a new page for the documents. Then, scroll down to the Oxygen section and choose the created template to render the page using it. Now, edit the page with Oxygen. Choose the documents for the editing and previewing. First, select a section component to contain all of the page content. To get the title of the page automatically, add a heading component. Then click Insert Data, Title, to connect it with the title of the page. Since we have more than one post on the page, you should add a repeater component to define information structure for them all. Go to Query, Advanced, and add parameters for the query. This is the slug of the post type. It means that we'll get posts from this post type. I want to get all the posts we have, so the setting will be like this. Inside the repeater component, there will be a div. Add some components inside this div to display the post's information. I added an image component to display the cover photo of the post. Click on this button to insert data, then choose Feature Image. Next, click on the repeater component and add another div. Click on this div and add a heading component for the title. Then, click on the Insert Data button, choose Title and Link. To get the department information of the post, I click on this div. Choose a text component and insert data from MetaBox field. If you want to display the department's name along with the link, choose the post URL option when inserting data like this. Immediately, you can see the post is displayed exactly with the related department's name as follows. The last information of the post is date. Add another text below. Click on this to insert dynamic data. Choose the date and fill the format that you want. In my example, I will put the format like this. After getting all the wanted information for posts, view the page on front end. You will see the image along with their information displayed correctly, but it seems like we should style the page a little bit to have a better appearance. Back to the template, you can change the settings of each component to get the wanted look for the page. Here is the one that I got after styling. Let's add filter posts by relationships so users can see the related posts of their department. Oxygen allows you to set rules for displaying posts easily. In the Oxygen settings, click on this div, move to the Setting tabs, click on this button to set the conditions. In the Conditions pop-up, add a new rule. Select User Login below the list. In the next box of the condition setting, choose this one. This rule means that only valid users will see the displayed posts. Next, add the second rule. In the drop-down, choose Dynamic Data, Meta Box Field, and Departments. Choose Post Object ID so that users can see the related posts of their department. In the next box of the condition setting, choose this one to compare whether the data above contains a certain value. Then, in the last box, click on this button. Move to Current User and choose Meta or Custom Field. Fill the meta key like this so that we can get the department field value of the current user. Now, go to the page on front end. First, all posts are displayed in the admin account. Log out and log back in to each user account. You will see the filter works well. Users in different departments will only see posts from the related department. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye!